So, number one thing you've learned in the time that you've been an entrepreneur, number one thing that you would, like, if I were to meet you in Starbucks or something, and I'm like, dude, Kris, I'm having such a hard time. Like, this is where I'm at. I don't know where to go from here.
Yeah.
What would you tell me in like a 2-minute or 2-sentence paragraph?
So of course this is like, it's like hard to say in hindsight, but if I could have told my younger self to just pick one thing and just focus on one thing and go all in on one thing, I would have done that.
There you go, dude. I think I 150% agree.
Like,
that kind of goes back to like what we said in the very beginning of like not getting distracted and just picking one thing and going all in.
Because honestly, because we sold our assisted living facility in October of last year, so we just closed on that, and that was a difficult decision that I had to make. But it was after I realized that I had grown wide in my local market. You know, so we were like around $3 million a year in revenue. So like I had gone wide, but I was then struggling because everything required so much of me that I couldn't seem to grow up more, you know? Like, so like, yeah, so I was like, all right, I need to like cut out everything that's not gonna be like, that's like, if it doesn't help us get to 100 adult daycare locations, then I'm not doing it, you know?
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.